understand its importance. One sunny day, a wise old man named Mr. Gupta arrived in the village. He was known for his wisdom and ability to solve people's problems. Word quickly spread, and soon Rohan heard about the arrival of Mr. Gupta. Curiosity piqued, he decided to seek the old man's guidance. Rohan approached Mr. Gupta, who was sitting under a large banyan tree. With a respectful bow, he asked, "Sir, I've been told that you possess great wisdom. Can you please guide me on how to make the most of my life?" Mr. Gupta smiled and nodded, understanding the young man's struggle. He took out an hourglass from his bag and handed it to Rohan. "This hourglass symbolizes time," he said. "Each grain of sand represents a precious moment of your life." Rohan held the hourglass in his hands, feeling the weight of its significance. "Now," Mr. Gupta continued, "I want you to imagine that each grain of sand falling through this hourglass is a wasted opportunity. Every time you procrastinate or waste time, a grain slips away from